PharmaLife Inc., a leading pharmaceutical manufacturer specializing in high-precision medications, needed a robust solution to manage their calibration and preventive maintenance processes. With increasing regulatory scrutiny and the need for operational efficiency, PharmaLife Inc. chose PharmaMax's Reflection CPM to address these challenges. Manual calibration tracking. Reliance on manual tracking led to missed calibration deadlines and potential non-compliance. Reactive maintenance, unplanned equipment failures and breakdowns due to insufficient preventive maintenance. Regulatory compliance. Difficulty in maintaining accurate records and generating reports for regulatory audits. Integration issues. Lack of integration with existing systems causing inconsistencies in data and reporting. Implementation plan needs assessment. Conducted an in-depth assessment of PharmaLife Inc.'s calibration and maintenance processes. System. Customization, customized reflection. CPM to align with PharmaLife Inc.'s specific calibration and maintenance requirements. Training and support. Provided comprehensive training and support to ensure successful system adoption. Key features implemented automated scheduling. Set up automated schedules for calibration and preventive maintenance tasks. Detailed documentation. Implemented a centralized system for documenting calibration and maintenance activities. Regulatory compliance tools. Integrated compliance check features and automated report generation for regulatory adherence, integration with QMS linked Reflection CPM with PharmaLife Inc.'s existing quality management system for seamless data flow. Results: increased efficiency, timely calibration, achieved a 90% reduction in overdue calibrations due to automated scheduling and reminders, reduced downtime. Decreased equipment downtime by 60% through proactive preventive maintenance. Enhanced compliance regulatory adherence, improved compliance with regulatory standards by 95% thanks to automated documentation and reporting. Audit readiness, streamlined audit processes with comprehensive audit trails and easily accessible records. Operational cost savings, lower maintenance costs, reduced maintenance costs by 40% through effective preventive maintenance and fewer equipment failures. Paperless documentation, cut administrative costs by transitioning to a digital documentation system. Improved data integration, consistent data, achieved data consistency across systems with seamless integration with the quality management system. PharmaLife Inc. As implementation of PharmaMax's Reflection CPM resulted in significant improvements in calibration management, preventive maintenance, and regulatory compliance. The system's automation, integration, and comprehensive documentation capabilities enabled PharmaLife Inc. to enhance operational efficiency, reduce costs, and maintain stringent adherence to regulatory standards. PharmaMax's Reflection CPM has proven to be a valuable asset in ensuring the continued success and compliance of PharmaLife Inc. in the highly regulated pharmaceutical industry. Discover deeper insights into Solutions Max and our commitment to tailored resources and support. Introducing PharmaMax Ecosystem Solutions, your comprehensive platform for streamlined management of the pharmaceutical supply chain. Achieve efficiency and peace of mind with our integrated ecosystem designed specifically for your requirements. Visit pharmamax.org for detailed information. Still unsure? Need additional assistance? Don't hesitate to reach out. Our team of in-house compliance and validation experts specializes in regulatory strategies for manufacturing review and submissions. Thank you for your attention. In pharmaceuticals, excellence is not just an act, but a habit. Stay informed and stay safe until next time. For more details, visit pharmamax.org or email us contact@solutionsmax.com for a prompt response.